Exams advice for students. Exam good practice. Eat a healthy breakfast or lunch. Use the toilet beforehand and turn up 20 minutes before the start of your exam. Check your timetable for room and seat number. Now don't stress, do your best. Relax, you're ready for this. Rules and conditions. Now you need to wear correct school uniform. Remain silent at all times. If you have a relevant query, raise your hand. Do not turn around. Do not talk or gesture to anybody in the exam room. Equipment. Now you need to have black pens, pencils, ruler, pencil sharpener and an eraser. Calculator and maths equipment when needed. Math box sets are not permitted, and stationery items should be placed loose on your desk or in a transparent pencil case so invigilators can see the contents and they can check your items of stationery at any time. Now drinks, food, you are allowed to bring a small clear bottle of still water only, without labels. You're not allowed to bring any food or drink, including sweets, mints or chewing gum. Calculators. You need to have a size that's suitable for use on the desk, battery or solar powered, and they must not have the lids, cases or covers, which could have printed instructions or formulas. And please note, spare stationery items are not available to borrow from the invigilators. Now highlighters. Now do not use highlighters on your written answers. Only the question paper or an insert, for example a source sheet. Correction fluid or tape and erasable pens are also not permitted. Electronic devices. It's advisable to not bring in watches of any kind or electronic dictionaries, Bluetooth devices, iPod, mobile phones, MP3 players or any device capable of storing data into the exam room. Now unauthorised items, if they do come in, then you must make sure they are placed out of the reach of the candidates and not under their desks before the examination starts. Revision material. You must not bring revision material into an exam unless you're sitting an open book exam. The department will notify you if this is permitted for a particular exam. Now, medical reasons, you will be allowed to bring in inhalers, food, drink or wrist supports, but these are for students who have provided documented evidence to support this arrangement. What should I bring? To the exam room you should have spare pens and pencils. Remove any outdoor wear, coats, hats, scarves or hoodies, and no items should be on the back of your seat. Leave all bags in the designated area, but these areas will not be supervised, so items are left here at the student's own risk. Now, malpractice. If a candidate is suspected of malpractice, the invigilator must warn the candidate that he or she may be removed from the examination room. The candidate should also be warned that the awarding body will be informed and may decide to disqualify them. Now check. You check you've been given the correct question paper for your subject, unit and tier. Read all the instructions on the front of the question paper and answer the questions set. Reminders, you must hand in your mobile phone. Failure to do so may lead to disqualification. Write clearly in black ink. Write your name, surname, centre and candidate number and unit code. Write your answers in the designated sections of the answer booklet and neatly cross through any rough work. The end of the exam. If you finish your paper, use the spare time to check through your answers. And if you have been awarded extra time and the invigilators tell you to stop writing, just point at your candidate card. Leaving the examination room. You will be told when you can leave the room. After you've left the exam room, please remain silent until you're well away from the area, as some students will still be working. Think and focus on how happy you will feel when you've finished your last exam.